Welcome to Cobwebs and Quartz. My name is Jan, and today I'm going to share with you Reed Barton's Cafe Royale spoon. We're going to check it out. We're going to get some coffee in here. We're going to light things on fire. We're going to test it out. So let's get this started. Let's look at what actually this is. So I received this as a gift, actually from my mom and her boyfriend, which was so nice. Thanks, Mom. This here it actually came in the package, which is amazing. It's Reed Barton. I believe Reed Barton was started in the late 1800s, and I'm pretty sure that they ended in 2015. So what we have is the box. Inside the box, this is a Cafe Royale spoon, and it has a little card inside here, and it says Youngberg and Company Incorporated, New Orleans, Louisiana. Recipe for Cafe Royale in traditional New Orleans style. Dim the lights for a flaming finale to your finest meal. Place a lump of sugar on your Cafe Royale spoon, fill the spoon with cognac, and ignite it. Got the lighter. When the flame burns out, pour the contents into black coffee and enjoy the wonderful after-dinner beverage. All right, let's get some coffee in here so we can get this started. We're back with coffee. Now let's get this going. Has little hooks here, so you can place it nicely on there, and it's gonna lean and stay there. We're gonna place our sugar cube right in there, and we got ourselves some Grand Marnier. Oof. Now it says to allow it to soak. Now if you search online, eBay currently has some of these, not in the box, and I'm not quite sure if they're actually Reed Barton or not, but it would be neat to be able to get like a whole set and actually have the dinner party thing afterwards, and everybody has their own spoon and everybody lights them on fire at the same time. I think that would be pretty nifty. So I think we should wait until the sugar is barely dissolved, and you can see it's really seeping in there right now. Okay, it looks ready, and dim the lights. That didn't work. Dim the lights. Why can every other YouTuber do this and I can't? Lights are dimmed. Let's see how this goes. Ooh. That worked fabulously. Look at that blue flame. Wow. That's actually pretty nifty. And as someone that's afraid of everything, slightly terrifying. And it's out. So then you would pick up this. It's full of cognac and sugar. Add that to your coffee, stir it around. and you have a wonderful beverage. Let's get those lights back on. Man, can't do anything around here. How's that? All right, let's try this. Delightful. Say that this makes a wonderful after dinner treat, but you know, I don't really like coffee in the evening. I like tea. I suppose you could use this method with tea as well, adding a little sugared cognac to your tea. But what better way to start the morning when you don't have to go anywhere than some coffee laden with burned cognac sugar cube? Delightful. That's very nice. Thank you so much for joining me and learning a little bit about this little spoon with the little prongs, what it means, what it does, and how great it can make your coffee. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That would be great. And leave me a comment down below. Would you be interested in one of these? Would you use it for morning, for evening, coffee, tea, hot chocolate? I mean, I think you could add it to anything. Anyways, until next time, take care.